We're out here in the middle of nowhere, dying in the heat, while simultaneously looking for classic car treasures. I'm going to take you on a walk with me. Check out this cool, it's got to be like a 71 or 2 Lincoln. Oh, it's hot. Hot, hot. Isn't that cool? That's a Regal. Eight track. The roof is air conditioned, well ventilated. These are fun. This is like a 61 or 2 Chrysler. A friend of mine bought that. Let's keep going. It is warm out here today. Oh, no. Oh. Another early 60s Chrysler. Okay. Datsun Z. Looks like a 260. Maybe a 280. What used to be a 59 Cadillac. I don't know what it is now. Oh man. Anything back here of interest? 56 Cadillac maybe. Whoa. '69 Eldorado. This place is cool. Mostly classics. Let's see what else we can find over here. What is this? 66 Cadillac. Anything interesting? Well, if anybody wants to buy any of these, you're going to be waiting for a while. Get in line. Okay. No, too weak. Whoa. Okay. Thunderbird. Can I do it? '70 something Cadillac. 65 convertible. I love these little mini trucks from the 80s. These are cool. Mitsubishi, I think these are called Mighty Maxes. 49 Cadillac right there. Fleetwood, you can tell by the little stripes. I love those. With a deluxe Blackberry engine. These are tight. It's like an early 60s Dodge. Take a look at this Cadillac. Nope, let's not do that. Pontiac. Where am I going? Oh, okay, here we go. Any goodies in here? is this? 70s Chevy. Onward. T-Bird, 64. Ranchero. We're looking for good stuff to buy, take home, clean, and sell for a profit. Buick Riviera. See, now these are great. These are clamshell. They're known as clamshell headlights on 65 Buick Rivieras. When you pull a switch, these open up to reveal the headlights. Early vacuum headlight reveal or corner light or whatever. And these are valuable, but they're a pain in the ass to get off. See, you got screws and stuff. I'm just not even gonna bother, but I'll bother later. Let's keep moving. Oh, it's hot. What else is over here? Little love bug. We got more interesting cars over here. What's left of a 68 Cadillac. I love those. Big 71 Eldorado. Studebaker truck. Okay. I'll die of dehydration before drinking any of that. All right, some cool stuff back here. It's a Chrysler, similar to the one that I used to have. A little tired. 64, 3 or 4 Cadillac. Yeah. 60 Lincoln.